Hey, what's up XRP holders? So this is live price prediction and I have today something very special information for all XRP holder. What is this, my friend? Especially all coin were fails down in the current days, but definitely my friend in all month you can see here last 1 month absolutely the coin were moving upward, but in previous days my friends absolutely the coin were very badly fails down, as you can see here minus 14.82% in last 7 days. XRP were fails down. So what happened and why the coin were fails down? So definitely my friends, when a holder or starting selling, so the coin were fails down, but don't worry my friends, especially long term investor, they are starting selling, so therefore the coin were very badly fails down. Otherwise if a short time investor starting selling, so they were fails down for a short time, and definitely after a short fails definitely they will take a very huge jump now. So what happened my friend in those days? They were very badly fails down. The one reason is that my friends, especially long time investors also sell, and the second reason was that in the start of month every coin were fails down, so therefore XRP is also fails down. But don't worry, I hope in upcoming days my friend XRP will give you a very good profit, but if you are hold. A lot of holders doing very huge mistake to their starting selling, so I will notify you to kindly don't sell it, hold it to the end of month. This is the start of month, so therefore they were fails down, but after the mid of month they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching holders. Kindly like video, and please if you want to earn money in a crypto, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time. Please like video and subscribe channel.